Hey guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you guys a natural cleaning product breakdown. I told you guys in my Target ad preview that I was going to go ahead and share with you guys a breakdown of natural cleaning products that you can get from Target. So you can do this deal in store or you can do this deal online. So I love that you can do this online. So the deal is when you spend $50 or more in select household essentials, this is going to include paper products, it includes laundry detergent, it includes cleaners. There's so many things involved, but you need to spend $50 or more and then you're going to get a $15 Target gift card. So this is automatically going to be added to your checkout on Target.com when you reach $50. It automatically puts a $15 Target gift card in your checkout. You can also get this coupon by texting CLEAN to 827-438. There's going to be a coupon that you're going to scan at checkout and the cashier will give you a gift card. Or you can scan the coupon in your physical ad, or you can find the coupon in your Target cartwheels. So this is a great time to stock up on natural cleaners. A lot of times I'll go through grove.com, but you could also do this deal online, which is great. So I'm going to share with you guys my favorite cleaning products, and you guys can get these from Target.com or in store at Target, and it's going to be a fantastic deal. So I'm going to share with you guys everything that I suggest you pick up. So we are now in my Target checkout right now. So what you want to go ahead and do is get one of the Method kitchen degreasers. So these guys are priced for $3.99. You want to get one of the Method cleaning toilet bowl cleaners. This is the Spearmint. I rave about this guy all the time. This guy is $3.99. Then you want to get one of the Method Spearmint, well, you don't have to get the Spearmint and Sage, but get one of the Method Squirt mop cleaners. These are $4.99. You want to get one of the Method Daily Wood Cleaners, and this is in the almond scent. It smells so good, you guys. And this is $5.99. Then you want to go ahead and pick up one of the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleansers. This is great for your stovetops. It's also really great on your stainless steel appliances, and you can use this in your sink. So this is an all-around product for so many uses, and this is $4.49. You want to pick up one of the Mrs. Meyer's dish soaps. Now you don't have to do the lavender soap, but the lavender is my favorite, but the pumpkin scent just dropped. So this is $3.49. As you can see, here is your free $15 Target gift card because everything is totaling to $51.95, so this was automatically added. Then go ahead and get one of the Method dryer sheets. These are $4.99. Then get one of the Method fabric softeners. These are $5.99. And then get one of the Method laundry detergents. This is $12.99. I've recently tried the Method lavender and I really like it. The Mrs. Meyer's is still my favorite, but I'm doing a whole like Method scenario with laundry detergent to stick with one brand. So this is $12.99. Okay, so your total is $50.91. So delivery is free if you spend $35 or more, or if you have a Target Red card. So if you have a Target Red card, you're automatically gonna get free shipping. So, and then the tax is $3.95. So total is gonna be $51.86, but then you're gonna get back that $15 Target gift card. So the total after gift card comes out to $39.86, and you're going to be getting everything that I mentioned here. And I think that is a phenomenal deal to stock up on some natural cleaning products, you guys. And then I also want to make mention that Target.com has the pumpkin scent for Mrs. Meyer's. So they have it in the multi-surface spray. They also have it in the dish soap, and they have it in the hand soap. And this stuff flies off the shelf. Once it's put out in your Target stores, it's gonna fly off the shelf. And then they also have an apple spice scent as well. So it's currently in stock on Target.com. This stuff goes really quick on the Grove site. It goes really quick in store. So if you're crazy over fall scents like me, and I'm sure tons of other people are crazy over these scents, I would highly suggest just snagging them now and putting them away when you're ready to use them for when the fall season does roll around, because these go so quick, you guys. So I will have all the links below to all the things that I mentioned, and I would highly suggest that you guys jump on this deal because it is such a fantastic deal that Target is running. So now is the time to go ahead and stock up on your natural cleaners. Like I mentioned, if you don't order off the grove.com website and you would rather go through Target, you can do this deal in store, online with your Target Red card. You could either do the debit card or you can do the credit card. You're gonna save 5% on everything. You get free shipping in store. So you get free shipping when you place your order on Target.com, and then you're gonna save 5% in store and online. So this is a hot deal to stock up on some natural cleaners. Now you don't have to go with all the things that I mentioned. You can literally buy whatever you want. You don't have to go natural cleaning products if you don't want to. If you're doing this deal in store, you can also use manufacturer coupons. So there are some great deals you can do. You can do the Up and Up brand paper products. You could use the 5% cartwheel. There's just so many scenarios with this deal this week, you guys, but I would highly encourage you guys to check out some of these natural cleaners that I'm mentioning because these are my ride or die cleaning products. I've mentioned these so many times in my videos, so when I can find a hot deal on all of my favorite cleaning products, I'm definitely gonna share it with you guys. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are gonna try this deal out, and let me know if you have any other suggestions for cleaners. If you want to go ahead and leave them in the comment section for someone else to read. And I hope everyone's having a fantastic Sunday. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. And I'll have a blog post associated with this video so you guys can shop the blog if you would rather do that. So I'll talk to everyone later. Bye.